You may not know, in the 1970s, ang ginagawa ko, tinutulungan ko lahat. Nandito lahat sa Philippines, ginagawa ko, tinutulungan ko lahat. Yung nga, the economists were devastated. The world had to start again. So, negosyo nga. Negosyo, tinutulungan ko lahat. Global businesses lalo na. And then, there'll be leaders, the nations. Tinutulungan ko sila sa leadership, power, and businesses in their nations. In part, para bumalik na sila sa mga nations niya, bumalik na kayo sa mga nations niyo.
This weekend, CNN.
So, nandito nga lahat due to Star Wars and Star Wars technologies and American military bases, weapons and technologies, fighter jets being built here. At the same time I was making Hollywood music and movies here. Puntahan lahat dito due to music concerts and movie making. And the new businesses, products, science and technologies na gawa namin. So, ang mga matitira sa Philippines, ang mga mayayaman, that should be me. Ako talaga. Hindi na nakaw sa akin dito mga big businesses like Pure Gold and SM Shumart Department Stores. Pure Gold, mga kamag-anak ko yan, I think, sa mga Bacaramisos. Dapat nandyan. San Miguel Corporation, nandyan din ang mga Tamayos and Ramisos. SM Shumart Department Store, sa akin yan. The Global Walmart, Shopwise, sa akin, gawa ko rin yan, gawa rin namin. Ang Shopwise dito ngayon, dating Walmart yan, napagkasundoan na Shopwise na lang here in the Philippines, wala nang Walmart. Pero ganoon din yan. Mga SM, di pa, supermarket, department stores and supermarket, alliances globally. May alliances yan, global alliance, business alliances, ng department stores and supermarket, hypermarkets, business. So, mga political families here in the Philippines, mga tinulungan ko yan, lumapit sa akin para maging political families. Some of them are not entirely Filipinos, lalo na nga yung mga Chinese na yan, na mayaman ngayon. May Spanish, Filipinos, Philippine showbiz, Tagalog, actors. Hindi yan entirely Spanish, Filipinos. Ay ba dyan sa Europe to, Spanish, na tumulong sa Philippines during the Cold War 1970s? Ay ba dyan Spanish talaga? European, Spanish-speaking peoples. Tagalog na. Gawa ko rin. The modern Philippine music and movie companies. Philippines Media and Press.
By Senator Angus King that the main
Philippine Showbiz Media.
was not the
That's real. The tech giants nga, gawa ko yan. Global tech giants in modern computing, telecommunications, internet, and space technology.
What it sees.
That's real. That's the truth. Mga una, gawa namin, mga religious literatures nga. Christianity and Buddhism.
ICE is not
Ang problema dyan beradbas na kami sa computers and technologies, pagka kasama ko yung mga dating religious groups, parang matatag ka sa religious group lang. Ang galing ang power ng writings mo ng computing, modern computing and supercomputing knowledge mo. But no, we started that. The modern computing and knowledge started from me. I was with them. The Americans nga and British and Japanese in supercomputing technologies. Ako matataglan ako sa isang grupo lang. Kasi gawa ko many groups. Global in Philippines. Kasi may mga religious extremist nga sa religion. Kumbaga, na-associate ka sa mga yan, Dumidikit sa akin lahat. Ilalayo lang ako dyan kami. Like before. Yan yung mga sa Cubao area. And then sa Trinoma. Trinoma naman tahimik yan, Trinoma. Hindi naman nila na-atake yan. Well protected na yung Trinoma. Sa pangalawang sa renovation yan. Nalalakas na ng weapons sa many groups. Sa akin yan, Trinoma area dyan. Trinoma. And then other malls nga. Hindi lang SM, Mart, department stores. Ayala Malls, gawa ko yan, gawa rin namin. Trinoma, sa akin yan, Landmark, Dorieta. Yan ang mga gawa ko. Mga bagong Ayala Malls, mga plano rin namin yan. Marcos Highway, Ayala Malls, Pilis. Supposed to be, may ka-family ko na yan.
As you know, in the close of the fatal shooting,
Gawa rin namin yan.
Alex Purdy and Rachel Good in Minneapolis, it was only this week, 6
It's very clear that I wanted money. I needed money. I was asking for money really in my text and messages. Very simple. And then, 2008, 2009 nga, I had breakthrough compression algorithms again. They're worth hundreds of millions of dollars again. Even a few billions of dollars worth for the whole modern computing and tech industry. The data centers and data networks industry. As a whole, in the tech industry, any business companies would be needing data compression, very powerful and advanced data compression technologies. That's why it's worth a few billions of dollars advanced and breakthrough data compression algorithms. So that time, 2008, 2009, they should have paid me hundreds of millions of dollars again, immediately. It's big money again for me, but they didn't do anything. Yung corruption naman thinking nila. Ano ba thinking nila? Kita nila, hindi ako mayaman. Hindi ba pwede maging billionaire? Hindi mayaman. Kailangan ba maging millionaire ako to be billionaire? No. Hindi nakita nila na yun lang ang bahay ko, hindi mayaman. Kumbaga, I need not accept. They need not give me billions of pesos in their thinking. And then ma-realize nila, may messages nga, I actually started up, co-founded the tech giants that were that time billions of dollars worth. Microsoft, Google,
So much
Facebook.
that Susan Collins has just not
And already was Apple and others. Nagawa ko nga, 1970s, 80s. So nagka-problem sila pero sisi. Pay me immediately. Gawa ko modern computing and tech industry. That's real and that's the truth. Gawa ko yan. Sulat namin ang Wikipedia articles about on advanced mathematics, chemistry, physics, and modern computing. Modern computing technologies, modern computer sciences. Sulat namin yan 1970s and the 80s. Yan na nga yung mga movies din. Hollywood blockbuster movies on modern cities, modern living, modern city buildings, modern computers, spaceships,
how do we know if you are progressive that we can still rely on
future spaceships and technologies, modern computers, quantum computers. Mga sulat din namin yan sa Wikipedia. Data encryption and decryption, cryptography. Mga gawa ko yung gawa namin, pero due to its highly classified nature, militaristic aspect, umiiwas ako dyan sa data encryption and encryption. That's for the military. Doon ko sa environment na well protected,